Hey everyone, Andrew from TextBlaze here to show you another cool integration that we've built with HubSpot. This integration is specifically meant to automatically update fields in HubSpot just based on the fact that you're taking a note against a record. So in my example here, I'm imagining that I'm a sales rep, I'm speaking to prospective customers, and after I speak to that customer, I need to log a note against their deal in HubSpot. Now, notes are really useful because they act as a reminder to everybody as to what you talked to that customer about. For me, it's going to have my raw information of here's everything that I discussed, here's all the important information. And then other people that are looking at this deal can look at that as well and say, okay, this is what's happening with that deal. Reading through raw notes, though, can often be a challenge. And so in addition to having just notes, many people within HubSpot have specific fields that they use on the deal level or on the company level that let them do reporting and get summaries about what's happening with those customers or with those deals. The problem is if I'm already logging that note, and then I also have to update a field with that information, then I'm doing twice the work. So the concept behind this integration is I'm able to log a note in HubSpot, and the information that I log in my note automatically updates the fields within HubSpot as well. So what you're looking at now is the snippet that I've created. This snippet contains a template of all of the information that I need to fill out after I have a conversation with a customer. So I'm imagining that I'm a sales rep, I'm speaking to prospective customers, and I need to log some information in my notes, like what tier is this customer considering buying, what's the forecasted amount, what features did I demo, what's the close date, and then just a place to put my raw notes. If I switch over to HubSpot, here's the example deal that I've created, and we can see the corresponding fields here on the left, the close date, the forecast amount, potential subscription tier, and the demoed features. So again, I've had this conversation with this customer. I need to log a note. So I'll do that. I'll click on Note, and I'll use the shortcut that I've created. Here's the snippet that contains all of the information that I need in order to log my note. So what tier is this customer considering buying? Well, they're considering enterprise. My forecasted amount is $5,000. I demoed a handful of features to them on this call, maybe everything but formulas. And what's my potential close date? Well, I think that this is going to close on August 1st. And then here's a place to put my call notes where I'm just going to kind of mash my keyboard. So I'm done filling out my snippet. I click Insert. And as you'd expect, TextBlaze creates just a nice note for me, automatically generating all this text for me, and I can save that note. Now, here's where it's really valuable. Again, I can see the full note here, but if I refresh the page, we'll now see that filling out that note has also completed these field updates for me automatically as well. So I'll expand the note so we can compare the two. My potential close date of August 1st has been updated. My forecast amount of $5,000 has been updated. That potential subscription to enterprise is there, and all of the demoed features that I've done have been added there as well. So it's taking the note and it's automatically updating the fields for me. So this is just an example of many different things that you can do with this. In my case, I'm updating a deal. This could also be used to update a contact. It could be used to update a company. I like the idea of doing this directly in HubSpot because I need to log my note in HubSpot. But if I'm doing this elsewhere as well, I could set this up to make these field updates remotely or even to create this note remotely as well. Do both of those things. So that's it. It's just a really cool time saver, a way to make you a little bit more efficient. Everybody's going to be logging notes after they talk to customers. Getting those fields updated oftentimes feels like kind of trivial or manual work that people don't always love to do. But this is a way to automate that, streamline it, make it super easy to get it done. Hope you liked it. If you need help setting this up, or if you're interested in setting this up, reach out to us, support@blaze.today, and we'd be happy to assist. Thanks, everyone.